Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Mercedes E Class. That generation here from year 2010 to year 2016. This generation E Class is known as W212. If you have one of those and if you need to find where the WSS fuse, also known as the weight sensing fuse, is located, this is the fuse that detects how heavy the passenger is, so it knows whether to activate the airbags or not. We will explain where you can find it, guys. But consider this video for entertaining entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video because, guys, working on airbags, even replacing or removing a fuse, can kill you or injure you, so they're super dangerous. And for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, quick reminder, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect or reconnect first, otherwise you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We will put a link to a special video that will explain which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. Check it out, guys, for your convenience. In addition, we will talk where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. Just remember, this video is for entertaining purposes only. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17, guys, this is the W212, guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money, guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located, guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road, guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work, guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars, guys, in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the WSS fuse, this is known as the weight sensing system unit fuse, guys. Where you can find it, we'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, but it should work on both. You guys have multiple fuse boxes, but today we'll be working on one that's right under the hood. Open the hood. On the driver's side here under this cover you have a fuse box. Open it, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case, guys, you may put the fuse back together, and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays, guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses, guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that, guys. But when disconnecting the car battery, guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you disconnect, reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000, guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. For the WSS fuse, also known as the weight sensing system unit fuse, guys, we need to check actually 2 fuse boxes, not 1. But it will be 2 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. And if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools for your Mercedes or any car at a really good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so check it out, guys, that way do not waste money and time. The WSS fuse that we need to check here is fuse 21. It's right here. The fuse numbers are usually printed next to the fuses, so you can see the one that you need. Next, you need to open the trunk. And here on the right side you have a cover. Open it, and underneath is the main trunk fuse box here. The fuse that you will need to check here is known as fuse number 77. So they start like that, the numbers will be listed right next to them. So that's 74, 5, 6, 7. So you may have or may not have this one, but it will be there if you have it, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.